Hello, my dear students. Good morning to all of you. I'm your physics tutor, Shaukat sir. Today we will try to understand a very beautiful topic of class 10 physics, CBSE, ICSE batch. The topic is under the theme Cartesian sign conventions for spherical mirrors. If we're gonna through this topic, it is very important that you might have understood the definition of the two types of spherical mirrors. The two types of spherical mirrors are concave mirrors and convex mirrors. But the sign conventions are same for both types of mirrors. For this we can choose any type of mirror, whether it will be concave or it will be convex. We will apply the sign conventions for concave mirror. Let's try to understand this for concave mirror. I will portray a concave mirror here. There is a concave mirror. You can check here the polishing is on the bulging outward side. That means it is a concave mirror. Now you might be aware about the fact that the central point of the mirror is called as pole and it is denoted by P. Now there is a center of curvature that is denoted by C, and this is like here, then this is the center of curvature and it is denoted by capital C. A line is drawn through the points C and P like this, and this line is known as principal axis. Now we know that the object is always placed in front of the mirror in the forward position of the mirror. This is the front side of the mirror and this is the back side of the mirror. We can never put an object on the back side of the mirror. We have to place the object always in the front side of the mirror. Like I am putting the object on the front side of the mirror, and the object is denoted by arrow holding upward, and I may name it as, the object may be named as AB. This is the object. This is your object. Okay, now the first sign convention is that all the distances are measured from the pole of the spherical mirror. You can check here the pole P. That means you have to place yourself at the pole at the initial state, at the starting state. So every distance you wish to measure, you have to measure that distance from the pole. And I am writing here the sign convention number first. Every distance is measured from the pole. Okay, got it? Yes, this is very simple. Now we will move towards the sign convention number second. You must be aware about the fact that the incidental light ray, as far the object AB is concerned, object AB will splash the incidental light rays in all the directions, but some light rays will go in the direction of mirror like this. This is the point B. This is the top point, or we can say the head of the object is B, and from B the light ray will go like this. I am putting an arrow over there. That means this arrow indicates that the light ray is going towards the direction of the concave mirror. Now what will happen? Firstly, you are at the pole. Okay, so the sign convention second says that every distance in the direction of incidental ray are taken as positive. For example, if we gonna throw the concave mirror, the case first. What is the case first? When the object is placed between the focus and the pole of the concave mirror, image format is behind the mirror. That is the virtual image like this. This is the virtual image format. You might have learned this from your teacher. A dash, B dash, this is the image. So if this is the image, So you are initially at pole. Now you have to calculate the distance of the image from the pole. You have to go like this. You have to go like this. You have to go like in this direction. That means you compare the incident ray and the direction in which you have to go to measure the distance of the image. The two directions are in the same way, that is they are penetrating in the same direction, that is the incident ray and the direction in which you have to move to measure the distance of the image, they are penetrating in the same direction. Therefore this distance can be taken as positive. So I will write here the convention number second, the distances taken in the direction of incident ray, IR means incident ray, is taken as positive. Now there is sign convention number third. This is the opposite of sign convention number second. So what is the sign convention number second? For example, this is the object here, and object is placed on the left side of the pole. For example, you are here at pole. If you have to measure the distance of the object from the pole, you have to move like this. You have to move like this. I am putting an arrow in which direction you have to move. Now compare this direction, this incident ray direction, and this direction in which you have to move. Clearly it is obvious that the two directions are in opposite directions. Therefore this object distance can be taken as positive. Now what will be the sign convention number third? The distances are the distance taken in the direction opposite to the incident ray. IR means incident ray are taken as negative. Okay, this is very simple. Now there is a sign convention number 4. We will try to understand this. For example, you can choose here the object. The object is above the principal axis. You can check here the object is above the principal axis, AB. This is the principal axis, and this is your object. It is above the principal axis. You can check one more thing here, the image A dash B dash. This is the image A dash B dash. It is also above the principal axis. Therefore, the two object as well as image, they are above the principal axis, and for that the sign convention is made. What is the sign convention? When the object or the image or anything, it is above the principal axis, it is perpendicular to the principal axis, it is taken as positive. For example, if the object is height, if the height of the object is 5 centimeter, we can take it as plus 5 centimeter. Why plus 5 centimeter? Because as per the sign convention number 4, if the object is if the image is above the principal axis, perpendicular to the principal axis, it is taken as positive. So sign convention number 4 becomes the distance or height above and perpendicular to the principal axis are taken as positive. Okay, now there is the last sign convention, that is sign convention number 5th. For example, if the image is real here, for example, if the image format is real here, it is A dash B dash. For example, it is the real image format. You can go through the real image, but what is the property of the real image? It is always inverted. What is meant by inverted? Inverted means that it is below the principal axis. It is perpendicular to principal axis, but it is below the principal axis. For this, the height or the distance will be taken as negative. For example, if it is height from A dash to B dash, it is height. This real image, its height is, for example, 5 centimeter. We can write it as minus 5 centimeter, because as for the sign convention number 5th, we are very much aware if the distance is, if the height is below and perpendicular to the principal axis, it is taken as negative. So we will write the sign convention number 5th as the distance or height below and perpendicular to the principal axis are taken as negative. And these are the sign conventions 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that is all about the sign conventions. Hope you have understood every sign convention in a well defined manner, in a well ordered manner. Thank you and all the best.